Hi there, this is NikitaNet, and on the desk today is the Clear Case from Nokia for the Nokia 6.2 and 7.2. And in a previous video I've unboxed this nice little phone. I took it out of the wrapper for this video, and let's take a quick look at what you get when you buy this nice little Clear Case, which is important to protect your phone. Alright, it's a wonderful little piece of, plastic. It's malleable, and the main thing is that you're protecting your lens, right? Which should work in this case quite nicely, and hopefully we can put it in here reasonably simple and just have a look. Right, there it goes. Taking a look at the lens, it is still protruding at least a little bit, but there's also a little bit of a lip right here, which is important to protect this wonderful Zeiss lens. And of course, here is the fingerprint reader for unlocking the phone. And that looks quite nice and spiffy. A wonderful little phone. The 7.2 Nokia in its original, right? Nokia Clear Case. Wonderful. So this is NikitaNet saying I hope you found this video interesting. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.